Hello students, NCERT series 10th class chapter current electricity and in text question, and today in text question of page 2000 216. Okay, page 216, and the question is first is find just the equivalent resistance when the following currents in parallel. Okay, तो हमें फाइंड करना है पैरेलल, and that is first question is 1 ohm and 10 to the power 6 ohm, and both are connected in parallel. So what is the equivalent resistance? So we can find 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 and plus 1 by R2. In this process we can find the equivalent resistance in parallel circuit. So here is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1, that is 1 plus 1 by 10 power 6. Okay, so 1 by R is equal to 1 plus 10 to the power minus 6. We can change 10 to the power 6 downward, then did 1 by 6, so 1 plus 1 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, so 1 by R equals to 1 and 10 to the power minus 6, that is means 0.00000 and 1. Okay, so we can answer is 1.000 and 0 and 0 and 1. So we can say it is 1 ohm. Okay, we can say it is a 1 ohm. So no problem, we can say that is 1 ohm. भाई अप्रॉक्स हमें फाइंड करना होता है, तो अप्रॉक्स फाइंड करेंगे तो देखिए सिंपल समझ में आ रहा है, 1 प्लस 0.000 द बेटर देन 1, तो 1.0000001 दैट इज कॉल्ड 1 ohm. And the next part is also in the same process. One ohm, 10 to the power 3 ohm and 10 to the power 6 ohm. That is 1 ohm, 10 to the power 3 ohm and 10 to the power 6 ohm are connected in parallel. So find the equivalent. Okay, so find the equivalent, that is 1 by R is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 10 by 3 plus 1 upon 10 by 6 ohm. So 1 by R is equal to 1 plus 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power minus 6. So also we can write it 1 by R equals to 1 plus 0.001 plus 0.00000 and 1. So we can write it 1.0010001. Okay, 1, that is 001. Here that is ohm, we can say it also is 1 ohm. भाई अप्रोक्स देखिए, अप्रोक्स में कितना है, 1 ohm ही है, तो इसको भी हम अप्रोक्स में 1 ohm बोल सकते हैं. क्लियर है, तो दैट इज 1 ohm. कंफ्यूजन नहीं करना है आपको. ओके, and the next question is an electric lamp 200 ohm, a toaster of resistance 550 ohm and a water heater of resistance 500 ohm are connected to parallel is 220 voltage. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that takes as much as current? All three applications are the current flow through it. So R1 is equal to 100 ohm, R2 is equal to 50 ohm and R3 is equal to 500 ohm. And all three are connected in parallel. So equivalent 1 by 100, 1 by 50 plus 1 by 500. So 1 by R is equal to LCM here is 500, that is 5 plus 10 and plus 1, that is 16 upon 500. So we can say R is equal to 500 upon 16 ohm. Clear? That is, if we solve 4, 125 by 4 ohm. Okay, that is the resistance. And here is the questions. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source and takes as much as current? So we can find the current. So I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. Here is the V is equal to 220 volts and the resistance is 125 into 4. So I, the value of I is 7.04 ampere. 7.04 ampere. And the next is, if only electric iron is connected to the same source such that it takes as much as current as possible is 7.04. So what should be the resistance? Okay. In this question it is saying if only one is connected, that is electric iron connected, and the current is flow 7.04, so how much resistance required? That is a simple question. Here is combination of 3 and need 7.04 ampere. Now we need 7.04 ampere in 1, so the resistance is 125 by 4. क्लियर है भाई? इतना ही रेजिस्टेंस होना चाहिए ना. वो कह रहा है कि इन तीनों को ऐड करके जब करंट इतना फ्लो होता है तो एक में रखें तो कितना चाहिए, तो हमें उसका रेजिस्टेंस उतना ही चाहिए ताकि करंट की वैल्यू यही हो. क्लियर है? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. And the next question is, what are the advantage of connecting electrical devices in parallel with the battery instead of connecting in series? So you can know about series and parallel. That is series and that is parallel. Here is current is same and here is current divided. फर्स्ट यूज तो यही है हमारा. इन सीरीज सर्किट करंट सेम इन ऑल. ओके, सभी में सेम करंट फ्लो होता है. और अगर पैरेलल होगा तो हमें समझ में आ रहा है कि करंट हम अपने अकॉर्डिंग दे सकते हैं या नीड के अकॉर्डिंग करंट को हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करा सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट तो हो गया हमारा कि वी कैन डिवाइडेड करंट एज नीड. एंड सेकेंड, इफ वी नीड ओनली दिस सर्किट, okay, if here is that circuit is break, so all two will not work. But if this circuit is break, then the current flow this and that is work. So parallel circuit is the importance that we can divided current as need and we can use at a time one equipment, two equipments, all equipments as we need. Okay. So parallel is useful than series. And the next question, question number 4. How can three resistor of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm are connected, then the equivalent total resistance is 4 ohm and 3 ohm. First, R equivalent 4 ohm and R equivalent 3 ohm. Okay, simple question. तो हमें इन रेजिस्टेंस को कनेक्ट करना है कि आर इक्विवेलेंट कितना आ जाए 4 ओम और सेकंड में कितना है 3 ओम। तो कैसे कनेक्टेड कर सकते हैं, देखिए फर्स्ट के लिए 1 2 and 3, okay, that is 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm. 3 and 6 are in parallel, 3 and 6 are in parallel, so R equivalent of this 1 by R is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 6, that is 6, 2 plus 1, 3 by 6, and 3 by 6 means 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2, so R is equal to 2, and 2 is series, 2 and 2 4, that is the first answer. So if we want the R equivalent is 4 ohm, then two resistance should be in parallel, that is 3 ohm and 6 ohm, and the resultant is in series with 2 ohm. And the next is R equivalent is 3 ohm, so we can connect it, all three are in parallel, all three are in parallel. Two ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm. So we can find R net is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. That is LCM is 6, 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. 3, 2 and 1, 3, 6 by 6, that is 1 ohm. Sorry, R equivalent is not 3 ohm, that is 1 ohm. Okay, so 6 by 6 is equal to 1 ohm. So that is the answer. कि if we have 3 resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, so how can be connected, then the R equivalent is 4 ohm and R equivalent is 1 ohm. So R equivalent is 4 ohm, then we can connect two resistance in parallel, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, and their resultant is 2 ohm and 2 ohm, this connected to 2 ohm, that is 4 ohm. And if all three are is connected in parallel, then the net is 1 ohm. So we move to our next question. And the next question is, what is the highest and lowest total resistance that can be secured by the combination of 4 cells of resistance? 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. Highest and lowest, okay? 4 resistance, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. Highest in series, lowest in parallel. बहुत simple question है, okay? तो highest in series, R net is equal to 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm, 24 ohm. If all connected in series, then it had a highest, that is 48 ohm, and if all are in parallel, then that is lowest. Here is LCM is 24, 6 4, 8 3, 12 2, 1, 6 3, 9 to 11, 1, 24, 12 upon 24, that is 1 by 2. So R is equal to 2 ohm. So in parallel, the R equivalent is 2 ohm, that is the lowest, and the in series 48 ohm. That is clear?